Today we have the 2023 Tesla Model 3. This vehicle has done just over 68,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. If we press our Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, dynamics, charging, autopilot, schedule, safety, service and software. Within safety we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. The Model 3 comes with a 360 degrees camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. If we press here, we can access our climate control with heated seats on either side, our heated screen and heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our panoramic roof.